Good day, everyone. It's John with John's Trucks. Today I come to you with a 2001 Kenworth T800 day cab. Very straight, very honest little day cab truck here. It's got a C12 cat, of course, all pre-emission single turbo. It's got a 10-speed 390 gear ratio, 180-inch wheelbase, tall 22.5 tires, it's got the 8-bag air ride suspension, air slide fifth. This truck has approximately 198,000 miles on the engine overhaul. Very little blow-by on that engine. It's very tight, very solid. The previous owner has he put in a rebuild transmission, new clutch, bell housing, did all the transmission work about 79,000 miles back. That's how many miles are on the transmission, clutch. We've been completely through it. All new shocks, 2 rear airbags, new kingpins, new spring pins, new cab air ride bags, new drag length, tie rods, full 4-wheel, all-wheel alignment. We've checked rear ends, transmission. I mean, it's like we usually do. It's fully serviced, DOT inspected. It's what we do. Really good condition. Very well taken care of. Give us a call. It's ready to go.